Hi, my name is Asa Washbrook. I'm a level TD1 snowboard instructor. Welcome to Snowboarding for Beginners. In this episode, we're going to cover turning from heel to toe edge, toe to heel edge, and linking our basic turns together. So now that we can confidently side slip on our edges and perform J-turns, we are going to start turning. The first turn we're going to perform will be from our heels towards our toes. We're going to start off by doing a heel side J-turn, but instead of breaking onto our heels, we are going to break onto our toes. So now that we feel comfortable turning from our heel towards our toes, we're going to start turning on our toes and finishing on our heel edge. So in order to bring the board around, we're going to apply pressure to the heel edge to end up on our heel side in a braking motion. Again, we're going to apply pressure to our heel side to finish on our heel edge. Once we feel comfortable turning from heel to toe and toe to heel, we're going to start linking basic turns. How are we going to do it? Every time we turn, we're going to recover our base position. We're going to point and look in the direction of motion, and we're going to lean over our lead foot. Today we've learnt to turn from our heel towards our toe edge and toe to heel. And we've also started to link our basic turns.